Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso karong butaga atong ila-ilahon kining proud Bisdak Sugbuanon ni mga kapuso award-winning nga chef o cake artist. Nakabase ni siya karon na balik din sa Sugbo gikan sa abroad. Mas ila-ilahon pa nato karong buntaga mga kapuso ang iyang passion nin iyang gipang buhat o kinsa man ang iyang inspirasyon. Kauban nato si Chef Jade Saducas. Good morning, Chef.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Chef. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Unsa istorya, Chef? We learned nga sa corporate world ka na connected kani adto apan nasud ka ani nga industry sa pagkahimo nimong pastry chef o cake artist.
I'm really an artist by heart, but my mom wanted me to be an accountant. So I followed that path despite like ang nasa gid sa akong heart is to be an artist. Like I want to be a famous fashion designer. That's my main dream. And then naagihapon ang passion ba until like okay I went to a short courses sa Caro and Marie sa pastry, and there I discovered na I love baking, and I started baking, and everyone like it evolved from a simple brownie to a customized cake, and then I discovered that I can sculpt using fondant. That's where everything started.
Were you based here in Cebu at pagsugod nimo na, Chef, o dito naka-abroad?
Yes, actually I was working as a senior financial analyst, and I was doing pastry at the same time, and then I was doing pastry and photography. Gidungan na ako sila tanan, and like it turned out nga grabe sila ka successful. There was a point na Atlantis offered me to work for them, Atlantis the Palm in Dubai. So that's the time I decided like I need to choose now which one I will focus on, because it was like marag kutob na nga rin ang akong kabisi. So I chose to be a cake artist.
Chef, na-recognize na ka dili lang sa UAE, sa worldwide o sa kasagila nga one of the most influential Filipinos sa golf, award-winning kay ka. Unsay reaction nimo ni unsay sikreto ani imong kalampusan, Chef?
Hard work. Kanang like it's not an easy game. Being a chef is not an easy. It's not an easy job. To reach that far, dapat resilient jud ka. Kanang sa time you will face all these struggles. You know, you have to be strong and you have to keep on praying. And for me, God is my best friend on this path. It's not also kana ganing easy. We have to study. We have to keep on developing our skills. Not just because like we are very good at this nang dili na ta mo study. Pastry is evolving ba. Being an accountant helped because kanang imong organizational skills gani, like mag-research sad ka. Like I really did my research well, and combination gito, then I asked for kanang opinion sa ubang tao. Ina gani, dili lang kay because you're so good you only listen to yourself. You have to listen to others also. In terms of other sad na mga awards, kay it's a tough competition because kitchen is mainly dominated by men. But then kanang as long as kana ganing mura kag gatanom or ga work hard lang gid ka along the way. Mako na siya murag matingog siya ba. So marag na-recognize nila somehow, pero it's a lot of effort lang yun.
Chef, kuan lang ti kagamay. Unsay what's next for you karon based na maka sa Cebu, no? Pero do you have plans nga mo balik abroad?
That's a very nice question. Actually, I was planning to go to France. It's my dream to work there. I love to really explore the culinary side of France, and nakaplano na siya, but COVID came. So I have to seize it. And now I'm not planning to go anywhere. So I decided to stay here in Cebu. And I was actually, I think few months ago, mga April, I started baking the famous ube cheese pandesal.
All right, Chef Jade, pasensya limitado tong oras. Just to cap this off, Chef, unsay mensahe nimo sa mga nagtan-aw na to karong buntag na inspire sa imong istorya?
It's all about focus, hard work, and prayer. It's a combination of those. It's not an easy life. being a chef. A lot of rough and tough roads, but we have to be, tough as well.
Thank you so much, Chef. We'd like to thank you for joining us this morning og hatag og inspirasyon sa atong mga viewers, labi na katong mahiligon gyud sa baking o sa culinary. Thank you, Chef Jade Saducas.